These my dollars make it hurt.
What is up, my people? We are in the middle of a trade right here. We got in after some liquidity was taken, and we're looking to travel a little bit lower here. We are just watching, observing, just checking out the type of action and volatility that is showing up in the market. We're liking this movement so far, and we do want to capture a good amount of this, so we're just going to continue to watch here and see what the price action is telling us to do. I am anticipating price may want to go higher, so I don't want to see anything returning back here. Now, if we do come back a little bit higher and it looks like we're going to continue to push down, then I will get back in. But what I am observing right now is that there is a strong rejection going down to this downside, and we are in a internal range that looks like whenever we get to these levels, we do want to return back higher. So I'm just observing that. I do believe though that we can go lower, and it's looking like that's what we might be doing right now. So we're just going to continue to watch that. We observed that movement, and that little movement there was still pretty good for us. We were only trading on 5 accounts, so we got a little small scalp there. But yeah, it looks like we are missing the rest of that move. Okay, so it looks like we're catching a little bit of a move right here. Do like to see that, like the volatility that we're starting to see pick up. I'm trying to adjust my stops here as I lock in these profits here. One thing I really liked about this entry was that I was able to see that price fell into an inverse fair value gap that was sitting on top of a order block, and as soon as it did, I saw a decisive change in structure, change in delivery, and that's what helped me with this entry. So we're taking this W.
Order filled.
Okay, we'll take it. Nice move for us right there. We caught it at the bottom of this range and took it all the way to the top of this one. So we're happy with that. We'll take the easy money that the market has just given us. And sure, I guess if we held it longer, we could have probably seen our take profit, but that's okay. We got a nice chunk of that move, and we'll be happy with that. Pretty nice on the day. Again, 5 accounts, and we're looking at 200 plus, close to 300 on some accounts, so we'll take that. Okay, we're gonna give this a try. This is kind of a riskier play, but we're risking light on it, so if we lose, we lose. But my whole thought is that I feel that we might want to be like dip in here before we come up and take out these highs up here. That's the idea, but we'll see if that actually plays out. I might even get wicked out right here, because that's how price action loves to react sometimes to these zones. But hopefully my stop is at a safe distance enough that we won't get wicked, and we might see this top get taken out before that plays out. Okay, so we're observing a pretty strong rejection right here at first, but now price is retesting this area and rejecting it again. So let's continue to watch here. We might get taken out in this move. Highs were taken up here, and now we could be coming to take out these lows. we might be coming down to take out the ranges lows too. That could also be a possibility.
Order filled.
Yeah, so we got stopped out on that one. No big deal. We thought it was a riskier play anyways, but yeah, we'll continue to look and watch. We're coming close to the end of the PM session, end of the day session at least. We're getting close to there. It's 2:33 p.m. So we are kind of aware that you know, this time isn't the best time to be trading, but we thought we had something there. But that's okay. You can't be right on every single call, so that's okay. Okay, so we're watching liquidity being purged. All this low resistance over here to the left being purged right now. We're gonna see if this leads to another setup for a long. We're just gonna continue watching here. No, I did say I was looking for a long, but it just wasn't looking like it was going to be for the long side anymore. And look at that. Wow. That's great. We'll take that. Good thing we did not stick with that idea. And we're just going to continue to trail this. I think price can come down to this target. We are gyrating down here to the bottom. All right, so we took that target. Very nice. And price is still soaring lower. Wow, we're going all the way to the other side of the range immediately, it looks like. Nice. Well, glad I did not get in for a long right there. And yeah, the market, the action was just not telling me that we were going to go long. I saw rejection after rejection, and all the other signs were pointing that way too. So I got in for the short, and yeah, it paid off nicely right there. Put us up nicely on our moves for the day. Again, we're only trading 5 accounts today, but yeah, those are some nice gains on 5 accounts. Okay, I think I am gonna call it a day here. Yeah, we got some nice profits on the day off of just taking I think 3 trades or so. That's all we've taken for the day. I think it was 4 trades. It might have been 4 trades. But yeah, I'm okay with where we are for today. 475 on, you know, one account, and then we got like 470, 460, 455, and 455. So we're okay with that. Those are good profits, and nothing to laugh at. The market's gonna do its thing for a little bit, and again, today is a no news day. This is no news Tuesday. So yeah, we'll take what we got for today, and we will come back another day and be able to trade on a day with a little bit more volatility in store. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just a little short couple trades here for you guys to take with you. I hope some of the lessons that I shared during the session was helpful to you, and hopefully elevates your game as well, as we see the market continuing to go for these lows right here. Well, with that, we will end the video, and we will see you guys in the next one.